will fly.
Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying to draw the annoying bird that likes to squeal. In my last video I did. Let's see how this goes. I have her right now. I'm first going to start with her head. Obviously you can hear her tweets. That's the first part of her head. We're going to do that. And go down. Make some feathers. To look horrible because I've never really drawn a bird ever in my life. So I'm sorry if this turns out really bad. I don't like that. Guys, this looks terrible. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but I'm pretty sure you guys can agree that it looks kind of bad. Actually, really bad. No, I don't like that. Now, I need to see. The eyes are just little. It's just like head. Yeah, like that. It's cute. Make some feathers over here to make it kind of look like little wings. She loves to fly, so just one fact. Well, obviously you can tell that she loves to fly. I think you guys already know that. Birds always love to fly. I'm gonna make little featheries. No, I do not like that. No? Little furry belly. No. Stop it. Okay. This is hard. Guys might think it's really easy, but it's actually super hard. Okay, so right here. Little. Really, just had to do that. Oh my god, stop it. I don't care. Okay. Then it goes like. Yeah. What's that? Ooh, don't like that. That's the first little foot. Now we're gonna make the other one. Which is gonna look really bad. Wow. Looks horrible. Little bird we all know looks terrible. I mean, you can tell it's a little bird, but This is going to be hard. It's possibly coloring the bird in. It's going to be hard because all those little gray things, but we'll do it, guys. We'll make it through. Now I got a good idea, guys. It'll be easier. We'll make like the bird little feather things like that. Never mind then. Let's go to white. Really? I meant this white. It's a pretty little white bird. Now we just need to make all the gray things. Ew, what is that? Guys, it's just gonna be, it's mostly like gray. So, why don't we make it gray? Why not? And we color a little bit of spots. White. Why didn't I think that in the beginning? Am I dumb? I don't know. Ah. But, that's the base of it. That looks good. Spots on the bird. That seems right. I think that's good. I mean, it's the best I'm gonna get, so no complaining. No, that doesn't have any gray. Yeah, you can hear her. Okay. Little nostrils. Like, really like pink, like right there. That is looking great. She has little black eyes. You can't really tell what color it is, so that's just going to be her eyes. Now we need her little orangey feet. Yeah. We're gonna do the little nail part. Excuse me, stop it. She likes to bite on my shirt. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's what it looks like, and goodbye.